what's up? So, just a reminder, I have glasses. It's been a long time since I wore them, but get used to it. So, sorry if it's kind of loud, but my parents are looking for a four-wheeler for us to ride in the summer. So, my mom, I've been doing this a lot, and my mom actually gave me this idea. It's called a cough dab. Like, no one just likes a normal cough like that. Like, that's boring, but to spice it up a little bit, you go. So, well, that's my point. You could do a lot of other things with your coughs. Ugh, I can't talk.
Look at that.
So, that's my idea, because I've been doing it a lot. And like, I don't know what else to say. Well, just probably going to end the video here. So, make this the most popular video on YouTube or my other videos. Subscribe, like, and comment. So if this video could get to about, let's see, how about 6 likes? This video gets to 6 likes and about like 30 views, not 30, maybe 29 views. I'll do either a house tour or comment what challenge should I do, like the bottle flip challenge or the ice bucket challenge. So that's gonna wrap it up, guys. So bye.